nag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo? Ano yung mga natatanda mo mga birthday celebration?
Yun lang po, my 7th birthday party.
Yun lang.
With my daddy. Parang it's a fast food chain, children's party po. Tapos family lang yung pumunta. Pero after po nun,
Wala na.
hindi na po ako nag-celebrate. Noong March 2, I was working. Nasa taping ako. Correct? Nasa taping po.
Sa lubong. Sa lubong.
March 1 ng 12 midnight, I was nasa taping ng Kambal Karibal. And then I went straight to the airport because I went to Sorsogon, which was with my family because my brother got married on March 3. Yes.
Ngayon, now that you're 18, what are you looking forward to? Yung mga magbabago ba?
Actually, hindi ko po talaga alam. A lot of people ask me how I feel about entering adulthood, how I feel about being an adult officially. Actually, hindi ko po talaga alam. I'm really nervous and excited about it, pero parang medyo mas lamang yung kinakabahan because I don't know how to feel, and I'm sure na mag-iiba po kasi yung perspective ko sa buhay. And there are more responsibilities and priorities na I have to handle, tsaka kailangan ko bantayan. So, hindi ko po talaga alam kung anong i-expect ko. Actually, wala nga po talaga akong plano na kung 18 na ako, dapat pwede ko na gawin. Wala po akong ganun. I just want to, as of now, gusto ko lang pong mag-go with the flow kung ano po ibigay sa akin ni Lord sa 18th year ng buhay ko. Yun na po yun. Kaya actually, wala po talagang theme yung debut ko. It's really personalized. Yan, ganun ko po siya ma-describe. My favorite layout sa pre-debut, siguro po yung big white shirt lang. Saka yung naka-pants. Kasi ganun lang po talaga in real life. 18 candles ko po mostly family. Pero I also have a few friends. Bea will be there. Bea Pinende. Kylene Alcantara, of course, from Kambal Karibal.
Hindi niya susudugin yung gown mo.
Hindi naman po mahuhulog yung cake ko. Also,
ako,
Miss Tracy Garcia. Sa treasures naman, roses, of course, mawala po ba? Si Miguel as my 18th. Maraming. My ninong will be there. Sa 18 roses. Ang aking inay, si Tito Joey Abacan po is also there sa 18 roses ko. Mr. Ryan Agoncillo, also bilang tatay ko. Yun po. And marami po po.
Sino ang first dance?
Si Tito Joey Abacan po.
Siya. So siya yung pinaka-tatay mo na dito.
Nanay ko po.
Tatay mo. Doble na ha, doble.
Actually, dalawa po yung participation niya. Kasama po siya sa Roses and sa Treasures.
Ayun. Doble pa, dual role pa siya. At syempre si Miguel. Siya may pinaka-ending ng dance mo. Siya ang last dance.
Of course po.
Oo naman.
We started talking about my debut early last year pa lang po, because we really wanted to plan it early. Para po hindi kami naghahabol pag ito na po, malapit na. So, matagal na po ako nakapagpakita ng design na gusto ko and kung paano yung gusto kong entrance, kung paano yung gusto kong itsura ng gown. So, it's, ang saya na nabubuo siya and it's going to be possible. Pero ayoko po siyang i-spoil.
So, glittery ba ito? Kasi most of the
secret. Hindi ko, sorry, I really don't want to because it's one of the big surprises and one of the
highlights. How long did it take for this gown to be completed? Kasi sabi mo
may isang 1 month na po.
Okay.
May isang buwan na po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.